Tired of Facebook ads feeling like throwing money into a black hole? Let's fix that by verifying your domain and unlocking the power of targeted advertising. First, log into your Shopify Admin panel. We're going to grab your domain URL, so pay attention to what's in the address bar. See that URL, select the entire thing and copy, and make sure you have the HTTPS part included. This is your unique store address that proves your ownership of the website. Now, hop over to Facebook Business Manager. Navigate to Business Settings by clicking the gear icon. In the left-hand menu, scroll down and find Brand Safety. Then click on Domains. You likely will not have any domains listed. Click the blue Add button to add your domain to the Business Manager. A small window will appear prompting you to type your domain name. Now simply paste the Shopify URL that you copied previously. Important note: Facebook wants just the root domain example.com, so remove the HTTPS and any trailing slashes or subdomains like www. Click Add Domain now. Facebook needs you to prove you own this domain. Let's choose the meta tag verification option. Copy the provided meta tag code. It looks like a string of characters surrounded by HTML tags. Go back to your Shopify admin panel. Click on Online Store and then Themes. Find the theme you are currently using and click the three dots. Then select Edit Code. This opens the code editor in the left sidebar. Find the theme.liquid file. Inside the theme.liquid, paste the meta tag code you copied from Facebook. Right after the opening head tag, it should be on its own line. Click Save in the top right corner. Go back to Facebook Business Manager and click the green Verify Domain button. If everything went smoothly, you'll see a domain verified message. If not, double-check each step and try again, and that's it. You've now unlocked advanced advertising features and are one step closer to Facebook ads success. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips.